would you hang him upside down?
You better ask Dark, because this one doesn't have the faintest idea.